In this video, you will learn how to review your telephone number inventory and report on end-user assignment. In the upper right-hand corner of the bandwidth dashboard, you will see a widget titled End-User Number Utilization with your number utilization percentage. We're looking for you to report on which phone numbers are assigned to a specific end user. You may find this process helpful to determine which phone numbers you no longer need. Hover over the Reports tab and click Reports Dashboard. There are a couple of new reports here, but let's focus on the report that will give you a list of your assigned, pending assignment, and unassigned telephone numbers. Double-click on the End User Phone Number Assignment Report. On the End User Phone Number Assignment Report, change your statuses and you will see the following options. Assigned are phone numbers where bandwidth can see traffic, or numbers you've already marked as assigned with an end user. Pending assignment are numbers where bandwidth cannot see traffic. These are the numbers you'll want to report on. Unassigned are numbers that you have previously marked as unassigned, meaning they do not have an end user. To begin this report, choose Pending Assignment as your status. Keep your date range as all time and your file format as CSV. Then click Generate Report and your report should begin processing in the upper right-hand side of your screen under Past Reports. Click on the CSV icon to download your report. The file will download into your web browser. Double-click to open. Upon opening, you will receive a list of telephone numbers, their assignment status, and status expiry date. The expiry date will only populate unassigned numbers. Please note that phone number assignment statuses will expire after 120 days. Take your time to curate your list of telephone numbers, removing the ones that are not assigned to an end user. Feel free to pause this video while you work. When you're finished, save your CSV file and head back to the bandwidth dashboard. Then hover over Numbers and choose Number Assignment. To label your numbers as assigned, we have a few different options. You can either upload your spreadsheet, leverage our APIs, or copy and paste your numbers. The easiest option is copy and paste. To do this, just copy the list of phone numbers from your Excel file, ignoring the header, and paste them in the List Phone Numbers section of the tool. Then click Label Numbers as Assigned. Please note, you can only update up to 5,000 numbers at a time. If you'd like to import this as a spreadsheet, change cell A1 from TN to number and remove columns B and C. It should look like this. Save this file as a CSV. From the number assignment page, click Choose a File and upload your spreadsheet. Feel free to choose a custom order ID, but it's not required. When you're satisfied, click Label Numbers as Assigned. You've successfully labeled your numbers as assigned to an end user. This status will be retained for 120 days. Keep in mind that the number status may take some time to process and may not show up as assigned immediately. If you'd like to disconnect any unassigned numbers, hover over Numbers in the navigation bar and click Disconnect Numbers. From here, paste the phone numbers you wish to disconnect and click Disconnect. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in the Bandwidth Learning Lab.